Everyone, this is Dr. Revati. Now today we are going to show that the Fourier sine transform of f of x equals to the function x2 minus x0. X means define the interval 0 less than x less than 1. 2 minus x means 1 less than x less than 2. Is 2 sine of s into 1 minus cos s by s square. 0 means for x greater than 2. First of all, this is the function. Here, this is the function. Find out this value. The problem is here, find out the Fourier sine transform. Sine transform is 2 sine of s into 1 minus cos s by s square value. Here find out, but here given function f of x means this. First of all, here write once again the given function f of x. The Fourier sine transform of f of x is given as f suffix s of small f of x equals to integral 0 to infinity f of x sine sx dx. This is the Fourier sine transform. Now capital F s of s equals to integral 0 to 1. That is the function means here x. First of all, write the formula f of x sin x dx. Here also f of x sin x dx, f of x sin x dx. And divide the intervals according to the given problem of the function 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Sorry, 2 to infinity. Here 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. 0 to 1, f of x defined as here x. 1 to 2, f of x defined as here 2 minus x. And then 2 to infinity, f of x defined as 0. Therefore, here substituting these values and here integration of uv formula here using. Therefore, minus x cos sx by s 0 to 1. Again integrating cos sx by s into dx plus here minus of 2 minus x cos sx by s after completed the integral 1 to 2, substituting the limits. Now only here integrating 1 to 2 cos sx by s minus of cos sx by s into dx. Okay, minus first of all substitute upper limit, then only substitute lower limit. Minus 1 cos of s into 1 by s minus 0 plus 1 by s sin sx by s. First of all integrating here. Next of all plus minus of here substituting upper limit 2 minus 2 cos of s into 2 by s plus 2 minus 1 cos of s into 1 by s. This is 1 by s into sin sx by minus sin sx by s 0 to 2. Now here minus cos s into s by s, minus cos s by s plus 1 by s into sin s into 1 by s plus 0 plus cos s by s minus 1 by s into sin s into 2 minus sin s into 1 by s. After simplifying, we'll get minus cos s by s plus 1 by s square sin s plus cos s by s minus 1 by s square sin 2 s minus sin s. sin s by s square minus sin 2s by s square plus sin s by s square. Here 2 sin s by s square, this is 2 sin s by s square minus sin 2s by s square. 2 sin s minus sin 2s by s square. 2 sin s into 1 minus cos s. 2 sin s into sin 2 theta. Here 2 sin s minus sin 2s means right 2 sin s cos s formula, sin 2s formula, I mean sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now here in these two terms 2 sin s means common here, then only 1 minus cos s by s square, capital F suffix s of s equals to, this is the Fourier sine integral 2 sin s into 1 minus cos s by s square. This is the final solution. The given problem of the Fourier sine series of the function. Find out this value 2 sin of s into 1 minus cos s by s square. Okay, thank you.